Hey guys, this is Panchi and you are on my channel Crude and Careless. This video is all about jewelry. What you can wear depending upon the place or occasion or your mood. Also, I'm going to share with you what you should buy and what you should avoid buying, or what you should keep in mind while buying jewelry pieces for yourself. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start with hoop earrings. Why? Because they are easily available, inexpensive, and most importantly, they are great for any face shape. They look good on almost everyone. You can buy basic ones like these, but I like to wear something like this, or some pieces that I'm going to show you next that have some design or texture on them, but these are not easily available in local markets. You have to buy them from stores like H&M or Forever 21, or from online websites like Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart. If you are wearing very large hoops, I won't suggest wearing anything around your neck. But since I'm wearing slightly smaller hoops or medium size hoops, so I can add something. Here I have added a delicate piece of chain and pendant that I bought from Amazon. It's sterling silver. I prefer wearing gold with gold and silver with silver, but you can always experiment and mix and match. Next, we are having a look at minimal jewelry. These are very versatile pieces. You can create simple, sober and elegant everyday looks that are great for school, college or office going people. Or you can even wear these to a party. If say your dress is very blingy or has very heavy embroidery or sequence work, you can wear a simple pair of studs or even a small classy pair of hoops. You can create a balanced look, as wearing heavy jewelry with blingy dress can look very overwhelming. You can also invest in a pair of diamond or gold studs. I don't invest a lot on artificial or imitation neck pieces or rings because they tend to tarnish very quickly as they come in direct contact with sweat and water. So here is a tip when it comes to neck pieces or rings or even bracelets. If you can, it is better to invest in gold or silver, not just color but metal. You can also invest in 14 or 18 karat gold pieces because they won't tarnish and also they won't cost you much. Plus, since 18 karat and 14 karat gold is much harder as compared to 22 karat gold, so it won't wear off easily when worn on daily basis. Just the opposite of minimal jewelry, we have statement jewelry. It stands out, it is bold, it can amp up the look of any simple or boring outfit. While buying statement pieces for yourself, keep in mind that a good quality piece can look heavy but shouldn't feel heavy. I keep plain golden or silver statement pieces for dresses that have some design or print on them. But with plain solid dresses, I love wearing these colorful statement pieces. Next, I'll be talking about oxidized silver jewelry. Actual silver can be expensive. Here we are talking about German silver. Almost any market, especially street markets like Sarojini, Lajpat Nagar, Chanpat, are loaded with irresistible and inexpensive oxidized German silver jewelry. Now, although markets are flooding with oxidized jewelry, but there are many common pieces that are there on each and every stall and in each and every market, maybe in different colors or sizes. I think the sole purpose of jewelry is to grab attention and make your look more attractive. A unique jewelry piece will obviously look more catchy, so I have stopped buying those common pieces and instead I look for pieces that are not that common. For instance, this is a very common piece, so instead of buying this, you can buy something like this one. Instead of going for colorful chandbalis, you can go for something like this. This can be worn with so many different outfits because it doesn't have any particular color. Let's say you have to buy a jhumka style earring, then instead of buying this, buy something like this. Or you can buy this. Again, a common piece. Buy this instead. Common piece. You can buy this. That's it for this video. If you like my work, please show some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. Also, you can leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.